If you want to improve your speaking fast in whatever language you're learning, you need to be able to create your own listening materials, audio materials, not only for listening, but also for shadowing. And a lot of you seem to not be able to do this for some reason. I've made some tutorials before, but because I'm getting more and more requests, I'm going to make another one. So it's relatively simple. Once you learn how to do it, you yeah, you'll be able to do it easily. But I think you need another tutorial. So basically, you need a text to speech software like this one. This is TTS Maker. I like it because it's very effective. It's easy to use. You can use a free version. You have limits to how many words or characters you can use. But I think if you don't have that much text to convert into audio, you can use it for free. Otherwise, the paid version is like €5 a month or something. So it's not that expensive, and you should have your own text translated into the target language. So I'm just going to paste this here. Normally, I do it with hundreds of lines, but yeah, this is a good example. So let's keep it simple. So these are my own words translated into. Can you guess the language? Yeah, you can read. So it's Turkish. We paste it here. We click convert to speech, and that's it. That's all we need to do. Let it work, and
Merhaba. Adınız ne? Benim adım Mikel.
we get an audio file. Then you can click here and download it. This is 18 seconds. This is nothing, right? But normally what I do is 10 minutes ish, sometimes 15, 20 longer. But 5 minutes, 10 minutes is good for a start. That's 100 sentences, couple hundred sentences, your own sentences. This is really important to in order to learn to speak using language islands. All right, you write everything you want to say, and then you come here with the translation. You paste it. You create audio files, and now you've got audio files, and you can binge listen to them. Because if you've got 200 sentences, targeted important sentences that you want to learn as soon as possible to be able to say them, that's nothing. That's like 10 minutes of audio. So you can listen to them over and over again the same day. And in a week, you've learned them easily just by listening to them. And then if you also shadow them, which means listening while, so just it'd be something like this.
Merhaba. Adınız ne? Benim adım
Hey,
Mikel.
Mikael,
Tanıştığımıza
tanıştığıma
memnun
memnun.
oldum. Türkçe
Türkçe
biliyor
biliyor
musunuz?
musunuz?
Türkçe
Türkçe
öğreniyorum.
öğreniyorum.
Tatil
Tatil
için
için
buradayım.
buradayım.
Teşekkür
Teşekkür.
ederim.
Yeah, you do that over and over. Each sentence as many times as possible. And you can learn hundreds, if not thousands, of sentences very quickly for conversation. And then you'll be able to speak. You develop muscle memory by doing this. You improve your pronunciation as well. My Turkish sucks, by the way. I just started learning. I've been doing a little bit. I did a little bit before, um, but I haven't really done anything serious. But it's good for an example. Like this is me learning basically from scratch. So yeah, you paste it here, convert to speech. You can choose the voice here as well. This is Turkish, so there are only two options, but you see there are lots of languages here. And for the main languages, you get lots and lots of options. So, for example, if you do in Spanish, you get Spanish voices, but also you get Argentinian, Puerto Rican, Cuba, Peru, wherever. So you can choose, you can specifically choose the accent you want to acquire, which is very useful. And yeah, that's why I like it. And same for German, Swiss German, Austrian German, Brazilian Portuguese, etc. You get different accents for the most part, depending on the language. For the most common languages, yeah. So like if you want to learn Belgian French for some reason, I don't really know if it sounds different. Can't really remember. But probably have an accent there, but I don't know. This is how you do it. It's very simple. Paste here, convert to speech, download the file, add them to a playlist, binge listen to them, and then shadow them over and over. And of course, do the rest of the exercises. If you still don't know the vocab, memorize it with mnemonics and then do active recall and all that. But for the audio files, this is how you create them, right?